Want to change the view mode in the iOS 26 phone app? Well, it's an amazing update iPhone brought. Using this mode, you can switch between dial pad, contacts, recents, and keypad style from the phone app. So in this video, I'll show you how to change the view mode in the iOS 26 phone app. So, without wasting any more time, let's begin. First, open up the phone app, then tap on the three lines icon from the top right corner. Here you'll see two modes, Classic and Unified. Apple has introduced a new unified layout for the phone app in your iOS 26. If you select Unified, then your phone app style will change. Unified mode will combine favorites, recents, and voicemails in a single list. But if you are a fan of simple Classic mode and want to switch back to the Classic view, then select Classic from the three-line icon. And that's it. This is how you can change the view mode in the iOS 26 phone app. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any kind of questions, then drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye for now.